أسرتنا TV.
I make the niyyah, intention, in my heart and say Bismillah. I wash my hands up to the wrist 3 times. I take water with my right hand, put it into my mouth and rinse thoroughly 3 times. I take water with my right hand, splash it into my nose and blow it out with my left hand 3 times. I wash my whole face 3 times repeatedly. The whole face is from the right ear to the left ear, not included, and the forehead to the bottom of the chin. I wash my right arm thoroughly from the top to the elbow 3 times. I wash my left arm thoroughly from the top to the elbow 3 times. I move the palm of the wet hand lightly over the head. I rub the grooves and holes of both ears with the wet index fingers. I wash my right foot to the ankles 3 times. I make sure that water has reached between my toes and without forgetting the heel. I wash my left foot to the ankles 3 times. I make sure that water has reached between my toes and without forgetting the heel. And at the end I said, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. اللهم اجعلني من التوابين واجعلني من المتطهرين.